Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, run the command below to install the GNOME desktop environment on your system. Next, run the next add-apt-repository command to add the novelWriter repository to your system package manager. After that, update the system package list, ensuring you have the latest version information for all the available software. Finally, install novelWriter by running the following command. Once the installation is finished, you can go into your desktop environment and have access to novelWriter by icon. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.